Curried Lentil Egg Stew or Curried Lentil Stew with egg or Curried Lentil with egg. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the egg recipes and one of the most delicious of the lentil recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the curried lentil recipes and one of the most different of the curried egg recipes. Today we're going to make curried lentil egg stew or curried lentil with egg. The ingredients are 25 grams of garlic, 1 onion cut into pieces, 2 boiled eggs with shallow cuts, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 2 to 3 red chillies, half a spoon of caraway seeds, half a spoon of fennel seeds. The next ingredient is 100 grams of lentil soaked in water for 30 seconds. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the fennel seeds. Put in the caraway seeds. Salt the fennel seeds and the caraway seeds. Thoroughly salt and mix. Put in the onion pieces, saute until the onion pieces lose their pinkish color. Keep on sauteing. Saute and mix. Saute and mix thoroughly. Keep on sauteing. Thoroughly sauteing. thoroughly mix. Now put in the garlic pieces, saut the garlic pieces thoroughly with the rest of the mixture. Keep on sauteing. Keep on sauteing the garlic pieces until they become slightly yellowish. Put in the red chillies, saut the red chillies, now put in the tomato pieces, saut the tomato pieces with the rest of the mixture. Keep on sauteing, thoroughly saut and mix. Saut and mix. Now put in half a spoon of cumin powder, powdered cumin, saut thoroughly. Put in half a spoon of chili powder, saut and mix. Put in the lentil, 100 grams, mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. Mix the lentil thoroughly with the rest of the mixture. Keep on mixing. Until all the ingredients are nicely mixed. Put in salt to taste and mix. Pour in 200 ml of water, mix thoroughly and let the mixture cook for 20 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now, after cooking for the required amount of time, now put in the boiled eggs, mix thoroughly and let the mixture cook for 5 more minutes. Now the curried lentil egg stew or curried lentil with egg is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final curried lentil with egg or curried egg lentil stew or curried lentil egg stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the egg recipes and one of the most different of the lentil recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the egg stew recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the curried lentil recipes, one of the easiest to make of the curried egg recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.